Here's how our fundraising program works.
Decide on a contact for the organization. An email is sent with the subject line, "Your fundraising is ready for final setup," with information to connect your account to Stripe for you to get your profits deposited. A Stripe account is necessary to avoid your bank account being shared. You will receive a flyer and artwork to use on web pages, social media, and email. This includes an easy-to-use QR code to the fundraising webpage. Car washes are purchased for $22 via the webpage. You will earn $11 per wash sold. This money is deposited into your Stripe account weekly. The wash can be used by the person that purchased the car wash or shared with someone else.
This is fun because you can go out into your community to get local business owners involved with your fundraiser.
You can raise money as a group under one link or individuals via a drop-down. When adding individuals, you have access to a leaderboard and can create a fun, exciting competition for your team, students, etc. to win prizes, bragging rights, or any other prizes to get them motivated to fundraise.
Car washes are practical and popular, making them an excellent choice. Beyond financial benefits, organizing a car wash fundraiser promotes teamwork and leadership skills among its participants. Contact us today.